Star Gossip's Olivia here. Jennifer Garner and Judy Greer had a 20-year friendship. They met on a movie set and have been close ever since.
Jennifer Garner opens op about lifelong friendship with Judy Greer, oukant erase history. Known for her relatable charm on and off screen, Garner reflected on the deep sonigtiontij verbeeld offerte eiers. Emphasizing dat Saret history is so meting ou kan never erase. In interviews Garner distribute their friendship as a match of laughter, trust, and unwavering support. From navigating Hollywood challenges to celebrating personal milestones, their bond has stood there of time. Fans of both actresses have celebrated their camaraderie, noting that their chemistry on screen often mirrors their real-life closeness. Garner schandet acknowledgement of their shared experiences heglighetste rare kind of friendship that transcends careers, fame and distance. This revelation comes at a reflective time in Garner's life, as she continues to balance her career, family and personal growth. Her words resonate with the unknown who values long-lasting relationships, reminding us that history Saret with the someone special can never trely before gotten. Jennifer Garner and Judy Greer's friendship is a testament to loyalty, laughter and genuine connection, proving that in Hollywood or anywhere else, some bonds are simply unbreakable. Their story is an inspiring reminder of the power of enduring friendships.